Downloading data from Pandora can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Create a Pandora account. If you don't already have an account, visit the Pandora website or app and sign up for a new account. Make sure to provide accurate information and verify your email address. Step 2. Log into your account. Once your account is created, log in using your username and password. This will give you access to your personalized settings and data. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. After logging in, go to your account settings. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Look for options related to data or privacy. Step 4. Request data download. In the account settings, find the option to download your data. This may be labeled as Download My Data or something similar. Follow the prompts to request your data download, which may take some time to prepare. Step 5. Access your downloaded data. Once your data is ready, you will receive a notification or email with a link to download it. Click the link and save the file to your device. Ensure you check the contents to confirm everything you need is included. By following these steps, you can successfully download your data from Pandora. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Pandora's customer support for assistance.